Hi, this is Katie Crumick. I am the instructor for design thinking for social innovation. Welcome to week 7. What we're going to do in this launch video is just touch in, look at the assignments, look at the design frameworks that are due for this week. And as always, please feel free to reach out and schedule time for office hours. Bailey, our TA, also has office hours scheduled. So don't hesitate if you're feeling stuck or have any questions. Okay, I'm going to share my screen. So as always, we have a little bit of reading, a little bit of things to watch, lecture, and then some application opportunities. And I'm just gonna, let's see here, get rid of that. The assignments that are due this week, online participation, of course, the discussion that we've been doing since week 1. So keep going with that. Meeting with your peer mentor team and submitting in that quiz that just documents that you did in fact meet. And then the design, you're going to complete and submit the design frameworks for weeks 5 through 7. So this is not unlike the midterm, where by the end of week 7, the due date, you will have completed all of the design work in the design frameworks. You want to have reviewed and reflected all of the design work that you did to make sure that you've pushed yourself, you've put in a depth of thought and effort. And then at the end of week 7, we will review, give comments, and assign points based on what you were able to accomplish. So coming into the mural board here at week 7, you're going to take what you learned from your prototyping and the feedback that you got in the field, and you're going to use that to refine your idea, to take the idea that you generated and iterate on it, make additions, take things away, but refine that idea to be more appealing to the stakeholders that you are reaching out to. You're also going to evaluate your idea based on how big of a change it's going to make in the system, and if it met the needs of the stakeholders or not. And you'll do a little bit of reflection about that. You'll also call back to your point of view statement that was from I believe week 3. So this point of view statement you generated, to see how different your solution is from that original point of view statement. So that's idea evaluation. You're also, even though you're not going to necessarily, proceed with this project, I want to get you into the practice of thinking about your design process and where you are in that process, and if you need to return to any steps. So you're going to use this 2x2 diagram to help you understand that piece. And then also to make a plan for what you would do if you were going to take next steps. And then the last 2 parts are, 1, storytelling. So kind of summing up all of your design work in this storytelling frame to help summarize everything you learned from your design work. And then pitching. So if you were going to go to someone and get them to partner with you, to fund you, to support you in any way, what would you need to convey? And this is this pitching document. So those are the design frameworks. Again, like I said, you're going to also review weeks 5 and 6. And at the end of week 7, make sure everything feels like it's your best effort and your best foot forward. And then we will transition to the final project in week 8, which is the project retrospective. So as always, if you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out and schedule some time to connect, because we're here to help. Okay, thanks so much.